Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some antique farmhouse vintage kitchen decorating ideas. Let's have a look. Antique farmhouse vintage kitchen decor typically includes rustic elements like distressed wood, vintage appliances, farmhouse sinks, mason jars, enamelware, and vintage sagnac. You can incorporate old-fashioned utensils, copper cookware, and floral patterns to enhance the vintage vibe. Here are some tips for achieving antique farmhouse vintage kitchen decor. Use reclaimed or distressed wood for cabinets, shelves, and countertops to add a rustic touch. Consider incorporating vintage-style appliances or restoring old ones for an authentic look. Install a farmhouse-style sink with an apron front to evoke a classic farmhouse feel. Display mason jars and enamelware on open shelves or countertops for functional yet decorative storage. Hang vintage signs or advertisements on the walls to add charm and character to the space. Display antique or vintage utensils such as wooden spoons, rolling pins, and cast iron cookware as decorative accents. Incorporate copper accents such as pots, pans, and utensils to add warmth and a touch of elegance to the kitchen. Bring in natural elements like fresh flowers, herbs, or a bowl of fruit to add color and freshness to the room. Use floral patterned curtains, tablecloths, or dish towels to infuse the space with a nostalgic, country-inspired feel. Install vintage-inspired lighting fixtures such as pendant lights or lanterns to enhance the ambience and complete the vintage look. Incorporate antique furniture pieces such as vintage huts, farm table, or Batkar block island to add authenticity and character to the space. Install open shelving made of reclaimed wood to display vintage dishes, glassware, and kitchen accessories. Consider installing hardwood floors or reclaimed wood flooring for an authentic farmhouse feel. Alternatively, vintage-inspired tile or linoleum can also work well. Use textured fabrics like burlap, linen, or cotton for curtains, chairs, cushions, and table runners to add a tactile element to the decor. Install open shelving made of reclaimed wood to display vintage dishes, glassware, and kitchen accessories. Thanks for watching.